All right, this is how to allow Google Chrome to have access to the microphone and camera on a laptop that functions with Windows 11 operating system. First is to click on the Start. On clicking on the Start, you are likely to see these settings here. Click on it for it to be selected and open. But if you can't find settings here, click here and type settings. As it shows up in the search results, select this best match. Once this opens, the next step is to click on Privacy and Security. Now, on this page, the next step is to scroll down until you get to this App Permissions section. The first here is Cameras. Click there. Once you are here, Camera Access is the first option you see here. If this is turned off, please click on this button for it to be turned on. So let's go back. Now, on this same app permissions section, click on microphone, and then if this is turned off, please click on it for it to be turned on. This is the first step. Let me tell you other things you need to do. Launch your Google Chrome web browser, okay, which is already installed on your Windows 11 PC. Once the browser opens, you will have an interface that looks like this. The next step is to click on these three dots here. Once you click there, you see some options. Click on Settings. On getting to this settings page, click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down on this page. Click on Site Settings. On clicking on Site Settings, get to this Permissions section. You can see Camera. Click there and make sure that sites can ask to use your camera is checked. Please, make sure that this is selected. If this is what is selected here, please click on this. Let's go back. Now, on this same page, click on microphone and ensure that sites can ask to use your microphone. With this being done, you will be able to use both camera and microphone on your Google Chrome desktop application. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this to more people. Thank you and see you some other time.